Shorty bad, slim, big. She might drug, she might fix, and I'm all up.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sheffy, and you're welcome back to Sheffy's Live. If this is your first time clicking my channel, thank you very much for clicking this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends and family. Happy New Year, guys! And for all my returning subscribers, Happy New Year! Oh my God, may this year bring so much wealth, joy, and happiness to our lives in Jesus' name. So today's video is going to be a ZARA haul. I picked up some things during their annual winter sale, and I just figured, let me just show you guys some things I picked. Most of the things I wanted went out of stock. There are some that I fought for to have, and I decided, why not share it with my audience? It's time for me to stop hoarding content or keeping things to myself. I need to start showing you guys more and more. Regardless, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into the video. So the first item I'm going to be showing you guys is this plaid bustier top that I got. I saw this and I was like, oh my God, I fell in love. It was literally love at first sight, even though I kept on contemplating if I should buy it, because now I don't know, the girlies can understand. Now I wear size 6. I'm a medium size now. A girl is no longer, you know, a size 4 or whatever, and they only had it in size 4, and I was like, should I buy it? Because these boobies, sometimes I be having problems with the bust size when it comes to like my clothes. So I decided, okay, why not, I'll just buy it. And then it went out of stock, and then I kept on, like, it was just so much back and forth. I almost cried. But at like the very last minute, a medium size came back to stock and I grabbed it. So I got this bustier top in taupe brown, and they were said, I think this, I bought it for $35.99. Yeah, I know it's quite expensive, but it used to be more than that. But I bought it on sale, so anything that is more than the actual price for me is on sale, and I like it, and I'm gonna get it. But I got it in a size medium. After getting it, I realized I'm gonna show you guys how they all look on me and try to style them. I'll try my best to style them, but I realized that maybe I was doing too much with my size medium, because this top, it fits me perfectly. Maybe I should have sized down. If you're gonna buy it, if you're a size 6, I'll advise you buy a size 4 if you don't have like big boobies, because it holds on, like, it fits perfectly. But then it's like if I jump, my titties are out, kind of. You get? I was supposed to return it, but then I'm like, I really like it, so I'm gonna find somebody that is going to fix it for me. Because I know that if I return it, I can exchange it because it's sold out. If you buy anything during ZARA sale, the probability of you returning it or having it exchanged is very low, because, you know, people are buying. Well, it's currently sold out, so I can't really exchange it. I can't pick a new one, so I'm gonna keep it and find somebody to fix it up for me. But regardless, I love the material, love it. I really think it's really nice for the price point. It's a good buy, it's a good purchase. If I'm gonna be rating it out, I'm sorry, I love it, so it's gonna be 8.9 over 10. That's what I'm gonna rate it. Well, let's get to the next outfit. Next up, I got this full length pants in fuchsia, and I got it for $27.99. Quite cheap, honestly, quite cheap. If you're a pants girly, if you buy pants all the time, then you will know that $27.99 is actually quite affordable for pants. I actually love it. The only thing I don't like about these pants is that they don't have pockets, and I'm like, it doesn't really give like a corporate body if I can't put my hand inside my pockets. Do you get? But still, I like it. I can wear it anywhere. You can decide to dress it up casual, you can decide to wear it as like a corporate body, wear it with suits, wear it to work, feel like, you know, you got to get this money. Actually, it gives the vibe of a power suit. The material is like, it's quite thick. It's not stretchy. And I got this too in a medium size. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm now a medium size girly. So I got it in the medium size and it fits perfectly. I'm gonna rate it a 7 out of 10. I like it, I love it, and it's a 7 out of 10. The only reason why I'm not giving it a 10 out of 10 is because it doesn't have pockets, but it's definitely still, I'm sure this is still, they still have this on the website. So if you want to get it, I'm gonna leave a link to every items I'm gonna be showing you guys in the description box. Don't forget to leave a comment and let me know how you guys are doing, if you like it. Oh, okay, and if you have not followed me on Instagram, I don't know why you're here, just pause this video and go on my Instagram. Just follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna be posting like more details there. I'll give you like a direct link to where all these outfits are, so you know what to do. Share my Instagram, follow me, subscribe, like, comment. Okay, let's get to the next outfit. The next item, it's an item I absolutely love, like literally love at first sight. Like literally, when I came to show Maureen this outfit, she was looking at me and she was judging me. If you don't know who Maureen is, she's the one crackhead that I live with. Well, so she was really judging me and she's like, oh, you and your mommy church outfits and stuff like that. But you can't blame me, girl. It's giving mommy church, it's giving I can switch it up and wear it to dinner, it's giving dinner with my girls, it's giving dinner with my man, it's giving all it has to give. This dress, I absolutely love it, and let me not even hype it, because this dress, I was looking at it, it went out of stock in my presence. I wanted to die, not die literally, but like I was dying. But then it came back and then was a size small, and you guys know I'm like, with my style now, I've decided I'm not gonna be buying like clothes that are smaller than me. I want something that actually fits me, stuff that can stand the test of time in my wardrobe. That's where we are doing now. I'm buying pieces that I can always use in the future. I'm past that stage where we're just buying fast fashion and we don't even care. Nah, I'm not doing that anymore. So let me show you guys. I've spoken too much. Let me just show you guys the outfit. So we have this patch denim dress. Oh, I'm so in love. This dress came back in stock very last minute. This patchwork denim dress, I got it in a size medium. Honestly, I love it. When I was looking at it on the website, I was just thinking of so many different ways I can style it, like so many different ways I can wear it. That's why I bought it, and I got it for $50, $49.99. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna say, but it's worth it. You can go buy, oh my god, if you don't buy anything from this video, please buy this dress. Buy this dress and let me know in the comment section that I bought that dress, or at least go and look for the dress and let me know that Sheffy, I love the dress and I went to look for it, something like that. Thank you. Oh my god. So the next two pieces I'm going to be showing you guys, this all cats in general were just like casual outfits. I just feel like every girl needs like a cute crop top, a cute like bodysuit, and I saw it and I was like, oh, I love it, I like it, why not pick it up? So it's this white it's called a combination rib crop top, and it has like the strings like for the belly. It's really cute. I feel like it's a nice let's hang out dress. You can wear it to run errands, you can wear it, you can dress it up and wear it for girls night, you can dress it up and wear it for dinner, like anything you want to do, girl. But actually really, I'm not gonna say I love it, I like it, and I feel like it's necessary for us to, like, for every girl to have it in their wardrobe. Yeah, and I got it for $12.99 in a size medium. All right, up next we have this bodysuit. It's a puff sleeve bodysuit, and I got it in a size medium. There's nothing extra to this. I just feel like it was really cute. I liked it and I was like, why not get it? It looked cute, and I feel like it's gonna be so nice on like a nice colored jean. You can wear it in black too, but like it would be nice. It will bring out the black if you wear it like with a blue jeans, and you can just wear it to your sneakers. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. I feel like those are the pieces that every girl need in their wardrobe. Pieces that you can always style up and style down, not just something that is just in a box. I don't know how to explain that. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say, but I absolutely love it. So up next we have a dress that I absolutely love, but it sucks that it's not my size, but I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I'm definitely gonna return this one. And I know that I'm gonna be taking the L for it, because if I return it, I'm not gonna get like, I'm gonna get my refund, but I'm not gonna get like the same dress anymore, because the dress is sold out and they don't even have like, I can't even exchange it for a bigger size. I bought this dress, actually I got what I deserve, because I bought it out of greediness. I really liked the dress. I saw it and I knew it was not, there was no medium size. I knew that it was a small size, and I was like, let me just, you know, let me just do it based on small size can come now. Small size will be my size. And well, my boss said no, because my boobies is so tight, like around my boob area. I'll show you guys what it looks on me. I don't like that. 1 year from now, I won't be able to wear the dress. So this dress is the printed asymmetric dress in multicolored, and I bought the dress for $30. Oh, honestly, I'm really sad that I have to return this dress, but I absolutely love it and I would recommend it. If you guys like it, you can get it. If you're honestly, if you're getting anything from all this, any of the dresses or anything from this video, let me know in the comment section. All you have to just say, hey Sheffy, I got the dress that you posted, and I'm like, oh my god, to make me so happy. I cannot even tell you how happy that would be if I find out that you guys are actually like buying based on my recommendation. To make me so happy, trust me. So this next top is very similar to the first top I showed you guys. It's the asymmetric black top. I got it for $30. Oh, actually $45.90, but I think okay, so the actual price is $45.90 and I got it for $30. That's the sale there. You see, we're saving coins here. You know, we are on a budget. Body on a what? Body on a budget. And I got it in a medium size. Honestly, if you guys like any of all these pieces, if you guys go on Zara, I know Zara, they have like ridiculous prices. They have their models posing ridiculously. I used to absolutely hate shopping on Zara because I didn't used to understand what's going on the website. Of which every time I even go into the store, well, I used to see some nice things, but the line's always discouraging for me to be like, I'm always like, sorry, I cannot buy anything from here. I'm gonna buy it from my house because I'm a online girly. I'll buy things online. But recently, I've gotten accustomed to their website, so I understand how there's Zara models, but you have to take your time because you might end up buying slippers. They might be modeling the slippers, but you think it's the top that they are modeling. Honestly, you guys just go and check out the website. I think the sale is still ongoing. You can still find some of the pieces that I just showed you on the website. There's so many more things there for you to find and buy. If you guys buy anything, just, you know, leave it in the comment section. Let me know. If you plug your girl so that your girl can buy her own too. Make sure it's not too expensive though, because we're all about saving our coins. The last outfit I wanted to show you guys is what I'm currently wearing. I don't know how to show you. I'll insert a clip of it. So this dress is actually the cheapest item I got. This is like the cutout halter dress, and honestly I just found it really cute. I feel like every girl needs a black dress. A black dress is just important in any wardrobe in general. Just have a black dress. You can have it different styles, just make sure you have a black dress, that's all. And I really love the dress. And guess how much I bought it? I bought it for $9.99, $10. Honestly, don't break the bank, but get you nice things. Okay guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you actually like this video, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends and family. Let them know, tell them to come and check out what Sheffy has to offer, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.